The following movie is rated R.
What is up, guys? Taking a ride over Jeffro's. Tiny Tonka's not feeling very well. Hope we can help him out. But it doesn't look good, boys. It doesn't look good. Hope Tiny Tonka's alright.
Yeah.
Oh, what's up, Doc?
How's the rig?
The timing chain's got a hole in it.
Got a cracked timing case cover, it's broken a couple of teeth off the timing gear.
Well, what does all that mean? Yeah, okay, but what does that mean?
It doesn't want to run it, it goes kapoop.
The timing belt snapped?
She's a broke.
Oh, God. You just put this in a couple weeks ago.
Yep.
What the heck? Yeah, and it came with new water pump.
Yeah. And take up
New idler. Jeez. Put the old one on to see if it'll crank or if the valves are bent. Yeah.
See if it didn't wipe the head out. You know, wipe the
Yeah, bend any valves. I think it is interference, so let's see.
the arrow on the cover right there.
Oh, right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it. Alright, so you got that lined up.
Yeah. And this one here, it's got the little star right there.
Oh, yeah.
Wait a minute, no.
No, it's got to go my way more, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
it's got to go your way. Yep, hold on. Let's see.
Maybe a tad more.
A little bit off. Right there. Let's see. It's got to go up here.
It's got to go under that tensioner,
Yeah.
right?
Right here. Over there. And that one's got to do the detent all the way.
I got it. It's still lined up.
Yeah. Right.
There it is. Tightened up.
Yeah.
Wonder why it snapped the belt. That doesn't even make any sense.
I don't know. Try to put it on boost. Clear. 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 Oh.
Holy shit! It's alive? I can't believe it. It's alive! Woo! What the hell? Wow, I can't believe it. It sounds good too.
No.
Not dead.
She's not dead.
Or he's not dead. He's not dead.
All the hearse off.
All right. Maybe that belt was a little loose and it was flapping and it made it snap. I mean, there's nothing else that it could be. What else could it be?
Either defective belt.
Or a defective belt, one or the other. But the way that revved up and flapped like that when it's loose,
Well, that belt is the old belt.
that's the old one.
And that's the one was on with a bad water pump, which...
Yeah, you could tell it's tighter on the inside and the outside. Let's go check out that mini truck, that dump truck, and that little micro van. What's up, kitty? And then we'll do some...
Breakfast!
You know what I mean about the bumper rusted out?
Oh, yeah. I've seen that. The only thing holding it's a chrome.
This is Satchel chrome. She's right here. In the cat corner.
Oh, yeah.
But the interior is cherry in this thing. It's other than ripping the seat.
Oh, yeah. This is in good shape, huh?
Yeah. It's just that ripping the seat right there.
How many miles?
72,000.
Yeah, the frame don't... Well, there's a couple spots that are a little bit iffy.
Yeah.
It seems solid except the brace, you know, the brackets on them.
Yeah, the brackets.
Good second truck.
Yeah.
It's got the Vortec in it.
Yeah, it runs good. It's 2,000.
72,000, that's nothing.
Under 100,000.
And it came with the plow too, huh?
Yeah. So it sits over there. I show the plow. It's got down pressure.
It's got down pressure on the plow, huh?
Yeah.
Jeez, that don't even look like it was used much, huh?
No. You got the pistons hooked to it?
Yeah.
Got this one and this hose up here.
Oh,
You know,
wow.
you got float and down pressure.
Huh, never saw one with down pressure. Nice.
Hasn't plowed much snow with it.
No. 8-foot Super Duty. Huh. There's the boat. We got to do some more fishing.
Yeah.
There they are. Does that have a price tag on it? I don't see a price tag. Oh. It's a Honda Acti. So definitely no locker.
No.
5500.
4-speed.
4-speed. With a low. Ultra low.
And this body's sitting on top of a body.
Oh. Yeah, what the heck is that? I've never seen one like that. Huh. I didn't know they made it that
At
way.
least they put the rim in the right way on this one.
Right. And it's like, it's got a little linkage.
Oh yeah, it's scissorless.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Geez, too bad. If had a locker, it'd be worth something to somebody around here if you're going off-road, you know. Melissa. Oh, it's a Subaru. 97 sandbar. Don't look too bad inside. No, it's 4-wheel drive.
Is it?
Yep. Must be like automatic 4-wheel drive.
This is over there.
I don't think that's original. No, maybe it is. Usually they put the corrugated. Maybe maybe that is original. Huh.
Where is the 4-wheel drive locker on that? I mean the 4-wheel drive on this one.
It says real-time 4-wheel drive. And that
One
one.
needs one front or one back spinning.
And this don't have anything that says that, but it's got to be. Oh well, not for us.
No.
Maybe somebody watching. Gonna have breakfast at Patty's. Celebratory breakfast. Tiny Tonka lives.
Here, the Kardashian girls got their own parking spot.
Yeah, that does look like a Kardashian.
White toast.
That's him.
Yeah, wait.
You know, they caught me and I was just like,
Fried toast.
you know, like,
Thank you. Oh yeah, that looks good. Kielbasa and eggs. I got tater tots and Jeffro got the grits. Looks good. Well,
I give mine a 9.
a 9? Me too. I think they're 9 here all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not overly priced. And you get a really good meal. It tastes like it's homemade. The tater tots I thought were, but they don't. They buy them. But yeah, solid 9.
I better put my safety belt on.
Yeah, you better.
It's because I don't know how to drive correctly. Got the drip set going. Shell repellent, 1540.
Tiny's on the IV
Yeah.
till the new timing belt comes in, since you got a few days to heal up. I'm sure he'll do good.
Yeah.
Get better, buddy.
Yeah.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.